Alright everybody, welcome back to another beautiful day on the water. Today, me and the boys are out in Crystal River going for some trout, redfish, and snook. So hopefully we can pull all three off, but we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. Video or picture? Sick. I'll put this down. Put it here first. There he goes. Shit. Don't you do it to me. Oh. Come on. No, I just need somebody to come get this out of the way. No, I got him.
I'm gonna hold that so you can walk back here?
No, that's good. Thank you.
Oh, shit, is this getting in it?
No, he's in it. He's under it. You're good. I'm sorry, dude. He swam. Okay, I think it undid itself anyways. Oh, okay. Good. I think he's good, bro. He looked really good, yeah. Oh, it's one of those beautiful colored ones. What's up? Yeah. Sounds good. Jeez. It's like he wasn't even trying at first.
Can I get a fish on?
Fish on?
Fish on? Fish on?
God damn.
Would you care if I came and lift this thing?
What's up?
Would you care if I came and lift it?
Lip it.
Yeah.
Use the net.
Alright.
Because if we lose it, I might cry a little.
Is it like one of the big boys?
It's a good one. I mean,
Oh, yeah, there's a 19. Like 19.
I mean, he's turning the entire boat.
It's probably like 25, right?
Oh, dang, he might be bigger than that.
That's a big.
We might not be able to even. Nah, I think he's gonna be close.
He's not overslot though, right?
I think he might be close, dude. I'm thinking 26 and a half. If I had to guess.
We'll shrink on us. Yeah, it's not time yet. Too early.
Okay, here we go. Got the net? You got the net?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, sick. Thanks.
Yeah, he might be over actually. He's looking fat.
He's on this year.
This is like a tournament winner. Yeah, he's a 27, dude.
All right, boys. First keeper red of the day. A little bit of a slow start, but super nice fish. I'm gonna go ahead and keep him, grill him later. So yeah, and the cooler he goes. Beautiful colors on him. On top water?
On top water.
Hell yeah.
I don't know what it is. What could this be?
Trout.
Ah, it's a huge trout. It's a trout.
You going to the back? Oh no, you're good. I'm gonna get it like this. You okay? Let me know if you need me to move some. That'd be cool too, man. Ouch. Knocked my. It's a jack.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's jacks here. It looks like one from here, right?
Yeah. It's definitely a jack.
He's pretty good size. I mean, he's not like a submarine, but he's cool.
He's cute.
It's a cool fish, man. Good stuff. Oh, thanks. That's so cool. Got him? That's awesome. Yeah.
Wanna fight this fish? Sure, why not?
Is there more of them?
Yeah, there's a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna get another lure out there. Oh, huge fish just passed under the boat. I don't even know what it was. Oh, fish on. I have no idea. Might be a trout. Oh my God, what is that? Is that a baby tarpon? This is the weirdest fish ever, dude. Dude, it might be a little tarpon. It like jumped. It looks kind of dark on the back. No, it's way too heavy to be a lady. No, never mind. I think you're right. Can you see it? Is it a lady?
It's a big lady.
That is a monster.
That is a monster.
Look at the cooler size I said. That's just gonna leave.
I mean, they're good cut bait, right?
Yeah, they're really good.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm actually going out tomorrow, so I'm gonna throw this guy in there for cut bait.
Oh yeah. Maybe it's gonna follow there.
There you go. Jeez. Oh, I'm on two. Double up. That was kind of cool, bro. Man, we should have came here for bait. I think if we caught a cobia, I might actually cry.
Redfish, snook, trout, and cobia.
Dude, wait, we've caught almost everything here. We caught a mangrove, a trout, a jack, a snook, ladyfish, mullet, pins. I've got a tuna, Garrett.
I think that's a baby head.
This thing's actually staying down. I don't know what it is. It's probably just another ladyfish, honestly. Oh, it's a trout. It's a trout. Yeah. Woo! He's gone. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, God. Huh? That was a lady. No. No, she, damn, that was kind of sick. I'm touching there. God damn it. It's okay. Oh, I don't care. It was after the fish. Oh, you got a boat. I heard it.
Come on.
Garrett, you could let that cut bait free line out there if you want. It's still tied onto that rod up there above you. I would just throw it out like 50 feet and then just close your bail so it stays kind of higher in the column. I'm convinced ladyfish will eat anything. If you fucking twitch it fast enough, they're like...
Yeah, you should just tie in that gold spoon.
No, but seriously. There's a lot of floating debris here.
That's not right at all.
No. No, you're good. It's just hot. Really? Oh my God. Yeah. Imagine it just gets hammered. Oh, like me. That was fucking huge. I wasn't even working it right. Get your peck on. Yeah. I was working this thing. So weird. It's getting hammered. What is that?
That was jackleg.
Right?
No
Oh my
way.
God. Oh my God, I'm getting the net. That is a...
A keeper trout.
Yeah! No, he slides off the deck.
He's in the net this time.
He definitely goes, right?
Right? Yeah. Dude, did you see that eat though?
Yeah. Sweet.
This is new moon, and he's like, all right, now we're gonna catch a limit of trout.
How did you know I was thinking that? And then we don't catch another one.
Yeah.
That's crazy how you knew I was thinking that. Oh, look, it's a trout. Oh my God, I watched him eat it. Did you see that? I hope the GoPro caught that, because that was sick. Bleep. I hate my life. I hate my life. I gotta stop flipping fish, man.
Oh yeah, right by the boat.
It never works out in my favor.
Alright guys, so that wraps up this video, but real quick before you guys go, I want to tell you, just in case you missed it, the lure we're using in this video is the Dean from Lure, and it's the MR27 size, so it's the bigger size of the twitch baits, and the color is called the Purple Demon. Super great color, I love it. Not a big twitch bait guy, but I've really been kind of getting more into it, and I'm loving that color in really clear water and in dirty water. I've caught a lot of fish in both. Feel free to check those out if you guys want. They're pretty good this time of year because a lot of the bait that was, hatched in the spring is kind of in that 3 to 4 inch size range now. So it's kind of a perfect imitation of a lot of different baits. And it just works really well for just covering water. And, even if you're moving it slower next to structure, you'll catch a lot of fish that way. But yeah, real quick, thank you guys. We're 2 subscribers away from 100, so thanks for supporting the channel. We're super close to that goal. But yeah, if you guys do want to support the channel, go ahead and leave this video a like and consider subscribing. But feel free to check out some of my other videos. You never know what you might find and enjoy here on the channel. But until next time, peace.